Good morning, students. Today we have to discuss regarding the business environment. Already we had discussed the elements or dimensions of business environment, that are economical factors, social factors, political factors, legal factors, and technological factors. Today you have to discuss regarding the manager's response to change in business environment. What is the role of the manager towards the change in business environment? Business environment is changing from time to time. That is why the role of the manager must be changed accordingly. Now we have to discuss some important points regarding the managerial response to change in business environment. That is your diversification. Number 2, joint venture, collaboration or consolidation of multinationals. Brand building, use of latest technology, improved compensation level, customer focus. Diversification, the first response since after the new policy is the companies are going for the diversification. For example, state-owned Bell said that with the new wave of economic changes, we will diversify our portfolio that will include solar energy, transportation, and water business. Even companies like Reliance, Samsung are diversifying their activities by adding more products in their portfolios. Then number 2, joint venture, collaboration and consolidation of multinationals. Most of the multinational companies came to India through joint venture, as Honda enters with Shell, General Motors with Hindustan Motors, Vodafone is planning to merger Idea, etc. Number 3, brand building. After new economic policy, the brand building, goodwill and image of the company has become an important element for promotion of company. New companies are spending huge amount on various promotional activities such as advertisements, sales promotion, etc. for brand building, especially in consumer durable industries such as Samsung, LG, Sony, etc. The use of latest technology. To get the first mover advantages, companies are trying to get the latest technology fast in their products. The expenditure on research and development department is increased by all the companies. Changes in technology is very important for the companies, especially companies in IT, computer, laptop, phones manufacturing. Then improved compensation level. With the entry of multinational companies, there is a lot of changes seen in the salary package of all the employees in managerial as well as technical services. The starting salaries of the engineer and management graduates have risen significantly. Companies are follows performance like bonus schemes, incentives for better performance is becoming common. Then come to customer focus. The focus of market is totally shifted from producer to consumers. Today consumers is the keep in the market. All companies are coming with the various schemes to attract the customers. That means the producer produce the goods according to the need of the consumer. Nowadays every company gives more focus on the fulfillment of consumer needs. It is about your manager response towards business environment, which is very important from the examination point of view. Now we have to discuss, that is your demonetization. Demonetization is an act of changing the money units and stripping the units as a legal tender. That is, the main aim of demonetization was to curb corruption, check on use of notes for illegal activities, and especially the accumulation of black money generated by not declining in income to income tax authorities. That is, now we have discussed the features of the demonetization. The features of the demonetization are as follows: demonetization as a tax administration measures, non-tolerance of tax evasion, tax administrating and channelizing saving into formal financial system, creating less cash or digital cash like economy. That is the role of the demonetization of the country. That is about today. Thank you. Have a nice day.